Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yaln Escapades, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, share, comment below. If you like, your name will be mentioned in the next videos that I'm going to make. Please comment below and let me know so that I can shout out all on your name. And of course, to all of you, thank you so much. This channel might be not existing if you are not around, at I am just grateful because it's all of us. Maraming salamat po sa iyong pag-antabay at panay na pag-watch po sa mga videos na na-upload. Maraming salamat po, and a grateful heart for this Christmas season is we give, not just giving gift, but is giving our love and our care and our time and our effort. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo, mga langga, and hope you like this video. The next videos, I'm trying my best to shout out all of your names so that you will not you will not feel alone or in other way, in the other side. Even you are watching in the other side, but you feel with in this channel. Maraming salamat po, and hope these videos it will be help on you. A little bit shout out to my support chatters is coming up. Please support them too. They are very supportive and generous. And once you have a friend who has a giver, will be a giver too. So thank you, and please support them as well, because as they supported on me, they will do the same thing on you. So at these portions, I would like to share with you a little bit on how I make sinigang, shrimp sinigang with or shrimp stew with sweet corn, or sinigang sa atin. Ayan mo na. All of these recipes is just experimentation. Ginawa ko po ang homemade shrimp stock din ang aking gamit, and the same thing. I'm trying my best to do presentably nice on my mukbang, but sad to say, I didn't get it right, but hopefully it will be work out. So, but the taste of the food is yummy, and I eat a lot of rice in this time, and hopefully you will hopefully you will try to do something like that, or you have some experimentation that your whole family will love to eat, especially on cooking. And I love cooking, I love baking, and I love doing lots of crafts, but just lots of don't have time. So at this moment, I would like to thank my support chatter from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, all of you. I know your generosity and kind and supportive. To Ate Mary's blog, she is really kind. She has everyday premiere at 7:45 p.m. and also live streaming every 3:30 to 4 o'clock. 4:30, I mean. That's the between in her time. I'm not really sure, and she's really supportive once you are joining. I'm just at this time, I would like to thank also to Sir Candido Mombrabe for his supportive. He's very supportive at napakakain niya. And yesterday I asked him on what is the problem on my laptop, because the LCD is not working. That's why I can't play. And he said he's really trying his best to explain on me, on what I do and what I should. So yeah, thank you so much, and he's a good friend as well. So please support him, and one day he will come to your channel to do the same thing as we do to me. Thank you so much po, and please don't forget to subscribe to Sir Candido number 8. Next is to Sisi Yani KZ Vlog. She's doing her makeup tutorial, and I have something to learn from her channel because I'm not used to wear makeup and all the time just being me. But sometimes it's depend on the situations. I need that kind of stuff to be look beautiful. But even we're just wearing the same every day, we just feel inside and out beautiful. So with a grateful heart, I would like to thank you all, and also for my other super chatters, Bashanko. She is a loving daughter to her family and very supportive them. And please note, she has also lots of stuff in her channel. She has a lots of content, especially on our daily living, home decorations, that's kind of stuff like information content. I would like to support her too, as she supports on me. Guys, ganun din ang gagawin niya sa inyo. Please support to my super chatter Bashanko. And the next is Yaya's sisterhood. She has very good hands to cook, and marami po kayong matutunan sa kanyang channel gaya sa pagluluto. At she's very precisely make it well done. Kaya please support her, and don't forget to